shots, you ready?
One out of 10. 1 to 10.
Okay, like 7.7. I don't do rookie scores.
You want to rate yours?
Oh, I didn't even eat yet.
That was good. First impression.
Yes, I got a blueberry nougat and waffle. It's yummy.
You said what?
9.5.
I didn't got a waffle. I got xoxo. Then a sandwich. Really good. Ooh, all the food's here. What's the new score?
8.9.
Alright guys, we arrived to the place yesterday in the afternoon. I didn't record, we were really tired. I couldn't sleep at all in the car. And it was my first road trip, like spending a lot of hours in the car. We left Thursday at like 11 p.m. and we arrived here at like 1 p.m. on Friday. So it was a lot of hours, but it was fun. I slept for a little and then I woke up and I was so excited because I saw the White House from far and I was like, oh my gosh, the White House. I've never been in Washington though. So I was so excited and then I couldn't sleep because I was a little way too excited. And I couldn't record because everybody else was sleeping, so I didn't want to wake them up because my phone when it's dark just flashes and I was scared that the flash was going to come out. Anyways, so yesterday we arrived, we settled into the room and then we went to bed. I went to bed really early. I was really tired. But today we're gonna have a good day. We went to the gym. We woke up. We went together to the gym. And I'm gonna see if I can show you guys the room. Right now we're gonna go to Walmart. I'm gonna show you guys the view because it's really nice. That is the view, guys, from our balcony.
Girlfriend?
Hi. I see you. Don't do that. Guys, we are going to watch the sunrise. Brittany's gonna be in photos, pictures, and Nana, it's in the bathroom, so I don't know what she's doing. I don't want to record her. She's sad, but she's also almost ready. The boys are coming with us as well. Yeah, it took a little long to wake them up, but we got it. And sunrise is at 6:06, and it's almost 6 right now. So I think we should have enough time to walk down and be ready already at the beach when the sun rises. I think sun's coming out already, so we're gonna head to the beach. We made it. So pretty sky. It's not that open and it's not that sunny, but still the colors are really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love the sunrise.
Did get it?
No, but the other. Thank you, boyfriend. Alright guys, today's day 3, 4? Yeah, I think it's 4. Today's Monday and I'm walking by the beach. Look at my view. We went to the gym, but I wasn't feeling too good to be lifting weights, so I just did some cardio and then I came to walk at the beach. Now I'm gonna go meet with everyone. I'm gonna show you these shells I found because they're really cute. These are the shells I found. Aren't they so cute? Now I'm gonna head back to the room so I can shower and get ready to come back down so we can swim a little. Alright guys, we're at the pool. You wanna say hello to the camera? I don't know if you're in the front because I can see.
A little bit. This one, you moved it right back to where I said not to.
I can see you a bit.
Okay, obviously I'm standing next to you.
Oh, hi. We're at the pool. There's Brittany. Are you in the camera? Because I can see. So. There's Brittany, and then the rest are tanning. We're going to do a contest of who can hold their breath for longer. He's prepping. That's all Cap. I'm going to win anyways. Okay, ready? Should I hold it on the water?
Yeah, you might as well take it with me.
You ready?
3,
2, 1, go. He's tickling me under the water.
No, I didn't.
He tickled me under the water. That's not fair.
That's it.
Let's guess I won the first time, guys.
She's lying.
Separate.
She's lying.
Separate.
She's lying.
You were tickling me under the water.
All right, let's go
I
then.
can't. I'm asthmatic.
You're not.
not.
I have asthma. Okay,
Can
wait,
you
I
look
need
for
one
someone
more.
with asthma?
Yeah, that
Okay,
is
you
messed
beat
up.
her.
That is messed up.
I don't put my head on
A little blurry, but I don't know if it's my camera or if it's just because this is
It
wet.
wasn't blurry. It's your eyes, actually. Because I looked at it earlier. It's because you open them underwater, and she
I
wants to keep
do.
20/20 vision. 3, 2, 1.
I didn't count that time.
We're gonna play who can find the phone faster. Ready? I'm just gonna throw you guys over there. Wow. She snatched her from my head, guys.
Did you not see what she did? I got off the wall. She jumped on me and pushed me down. I don't know. I can't see.
All the TikTok said is you can only move in the dark.
Not run.
Only move.
can't move anywhere
But I
in the
think
room.
the whole point is to try to scare Nana.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna pee. I'm doing it again. I'm gonna pee.
Fecha a cortina.
Wait.
Meu Deus do céu. Acende. Ai! Ai! Sai daí! Ai! Quebrou meu nome. He's still on his foot. He's still on his foot. How are you gonna be on top?
You guys go check Josiah's video on his TikTok.
I get the feeling it's a good night. It's so bright. The city's shining from.
Yeah, when I got out of the room and I saw you with your iPad in your headphones, I was like, how many should I make? 7? 1 for each? More than 7? All of them?
With that whole pack.
Okay.
That's 8.
Make that whole pack.
You more cheese?
Yes.
Boom.
What about this girl? Very nice person. Yeah, finish that. Finish that.
And now this way.
We're going on a helicopter ride. Us, Joe, and his dad. So I'll report from the air. Bye.
Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I don't know just what you are. Seems like you're type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh.
Alright guys, as you guys saw, he got a haircut. He's gonna go blonde now. And we are at Walmart. And I just decided to record right now because we've been at Walmart most of this trip. Like, probably every day of this trip.
At this point, it's been like every day.
So, yeah, I just wanted to record. We're gonna get trays for lasagna that his mom's making.
I can't see nothing. I look the exact same.
Guess where are we again?
For the 8th time.
Walmart.
Go. The amazing Seymour as of last place. She got 60. I don't know how. She got a 60.
I thought it was Tiffany.
No, mom got 3
Same.
sixes. Mom got 3 sixes, a 5, a couple 4s.
Okay.
Their 5th place. It is Tiffany with 58. The ending is hard. So I got a 48, 3rd place. So I got a 48, 3rd place. 2nd place was Jeremy with a 47.
Good job, babe.
First place was Dad with a 46.
Yeah!
46. It was 1-1-1. We were all by one.
Começou a fazer bem.
No, but Dad had a lot of 3s going across. Like that, and then that shit go boom, 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 boom. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. Up, flip this, down, back. Now go here. Up, flip this, down, back. Orange and blue.
Yeah!
Welcome to Jurassic Park, DJ.
We turn off lights so everybody's growling.
This is my Jurassic Park. You see that? Then let me explain. This is blue but still red. It's changed color through the day. This the red.
We couldn't pay for that.
I think it's the little one.
Começar a chover. Você vai filmar tudo!